And one thing I forgot, make sure you have a fire extinguisher just in case you're working with gas. And it's never, you know, don't be too proud. Don't be the man and say you don't need a fire extinguisher. Just do the smart thing. Take as many precautions as you can. Wear safety glasses. I'm gonna get this under here. I don't know how much this will absorb this, but if anything drips out, at least I'll get something. It's a very tight space, but let's see if I can't get that, because the last thing you want is gasoline dripping all over the place. So we can do this. There we go. Okay, so yeah, so I don't know if you can see it. It's a fit right there. This clamps down on it and then it locks in. It's a pretty snug fit. I'm not really sure what the purpose of it looks like the vacuum, and I'm not going to pretend that I'm an expert mechanic, but I can take this the best we can. And I'm just going to put this under here, and hopefully this will cover up the whole thing. Get it under there. Alright, so we took that puppy pad, which are great by the way, they're very absorbent if you're doing anything with liquids. And we got that the best. We covered up the alternator. Now what we got to do is, I think I'm going to have to spray a little WD-40 down in here just to loosen up. I'm spraying just enough, hopefully, to get in. There we go. I don't know if that's going to do anything, but there we go. Hopefully that'll loosen that up. I got to figure out how to get that wiring off. Then I would like the trick is not to drop it. It's not an easy. Okay, I'm getting it. Slowly but surely. Okay. So that's how long that is. Okay, so I got this off, but there is a hose connected to the bottom and it's kind of crusty. I'm hoping that I can get this off in one piece, because if I can't, that's a problem. So okay, so I'm gonna have to take this harness off here. Oh, everything is tight here. Okay. Wow. Wow, got that off. That was a pain in the ass. Whew. All right. Under here, this is the bottom. So this goes in this way. This goes in this way. Right in here, take your screwdriver. And there's a little clip right here. I don't know if you can see that. There's a little clip. Right here. Push that in. Now you got the part out. So here's the old part. Here's the new part. I don't know if you can see. Okay, that's in snug. Now I gotta put this in. There we go, it kind of fits in there. It's not going to put that on completely yet. We're going to hook the wiring back up in here. And this actually, there's a clip. And we're going to get that right in there. That's in snug. I'm going to bring this in. There it goes, clips right in. Make sure that's on. Push this in. Make sure it's tight. Make sure this is tight. Make sure that hose is in. We're going to bring this around, back around here. Yeah, I'm going to put a little lube on it. Hook this back up. Hook that up. Make sure everything's good, and you're going to get some blood. So that's par for the course. I was wearing gloves, but they just kept breaking. So you make sure everything's in here. Make sure everything's up nice. Make sure you haven't dropped anything in the engine compartment.